In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Tarpapel in Canva. So if you want to do this, to be honest with you, you can do it in Canva, but I would recommend if you've got your image in Canva, you've created it, go share in the top right hand corner, click download, and just download it as a PNG. Now I'm going to show you a very easy way that you can do it. So once you've got it downloaded, go to Google and just type in Docuslice or Tarpapel. It will then obviously take you to the Google results where you can go ahead and then click on Docuslice. It should be the first one that comes up. It is the easiest one that you can use. No giant printer, no problem. Turn any image into a PDF, multi-page tiled print. No hassle, just a few clicks. So click on Get Started. Then what you can do is you can drag and drop your image here. So go to Image in the top left hand corner, then click on the download here from Canva. You can then resize this, and if you go to the bottom left, you can go ahead and choose the option that you need. So you can choose fit and keep ratio, fit and stretch, or cover. It really depends on what you're trying to achieve and what option you need. Now, if you don't want this default layout here, you can go to the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. And here, if you go to poster, you can go ahead and then choose how many rows and how many columns you want. You can also go to size and choose from a template. So this is going to be obviously on the size of the paper. So for me, I'm going to go for manila paper whole. We'll click use. Then what we can do, we can go ahead again, upload the image. And here you can customize this however you need it to be. Again, if you go to resize, I'm going to put fit and stretch, and that looks a little bit better for my image. Once you're happy with it, you can click on download in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to show you a preview of what it will look like once you've printed it out. So these are going to be the paper sizes, and you're going to be able to then connect them, right? You can choose if you want the scissor marks or the cut lines on or off by clicking down here. You can then click the download button in the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and sign in for free. If you don't have an account, you can sign up by entering in your details here. You will need to verify your email address, so go to your email and enter in the code that they've sent you. Then once you've done that, you can then choose to select all, and you can export as a PDF or export as images. I'm going to go export as a PDF. Then it should be ready for printing. You can then click download PDF, and here is your PDF. You can go ahead and open this, and then you'll be able to print this, and you'll be able to cut and then obviously stick this together on a wall or whatever your use case is for this. So I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did.